Welcome back to the channel. Meet the like-new Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus, your ultimate motion-activated home security solution. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most reliable home security upgrades you can make, the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus, in a like-new condition. This powerful device combines bright LED floodlights, smart motion detection, and crisp HD video to help protect your home day and night. Floodlight Cam Wired Plus, hardwired floodlight camera with motion-activated 1080p HD video and live view. Customizable motion zones, two-way talk, real-time notifications, and a 105 dB security siren. Works with Alexa so you can hear audio announcements whenever motion is detected. Easily hardwire to the outside of your home and connect to Wi-Fi for around-the-clock power and peace of mind. See your yard from anywhere, get real-time notifications when motion is detected around your driveway, garage, or in the backyard. Use the Ring app to see what's happening, turn on the lights, speak to visitors, and even sound the siren when you need to. Customize motion zones in the Ring app to fine-tune which areas you want to focus on. What's in view? Create your own motion zones to fine-tune which areas you want to focus on. You'll only receive alerts you care about most, and your privacy is always protected. Save your recorded videos for up to 180 days to rewatch anytime, get alerts for people and package, and so much more with a Ring Home subscription. Complete control from the Ring app. Receive real-time notifications on your phone and tablet, get real-time video and audio with the Live View button, control and customize important security settings, get exclusive features, and save and share videos, photos with an optional Ring Home plan, sold separately. Easy DIY installation. Turn off power at the breaker and remove existing fixture. Mount the bracket and connect wiring to the back of Floodlight Cam Wired Plus. Attach to the bracket, turn the power back on and continue setup in the Ring app. The like-new Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus. With bright floodlights, smart motion alerts, and reliable Ring app integration, it's a solid choice for anyone upgrading their home security system. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.